Ito yung Anikuma CW917 wireless gaming mouse. Tara, unbox natin. Maganda yung box, may manual, at Type A to Type C USB. Tapos yung pinaka-mouse na natin. Pag hawak mo pa lang, mapapansin mo yung ergonomic shape sakto sa grip. Sa buttons, may solid left and right clicks, smooth scroll wheel, plus side buttons na useful for back and forward. Hindi siya mushy. Sakto yung feedback. Pagdating sa DPI, adjustable siya hanggang 4,800 DPI. So pwede kang mag-low DPI for accuracy or high DPI kung fast-paced gaming ka. Dual connectivity kaya pwede siyang magamit ng wireless through 2.4G USB dongle. Pwede rin siyang gamitin ng wired gamit yung USB-C cable. Inside gamit niya yung PAW3212 sensor, stable tracking, may 250Hz report rate at up to 10 grams ng acceleration. So okay siya for casual to mid-level gaming. Battery-wise, 400 mAh yung battery. So hindi ka na araw-araw mag-charge. Overall, more on control and flexibility. Pang work in gaming, pwedeng-pwede siya. Kaya kung interesado ka, lagay ko yung link dyan sa baba and follow for more.